Okay, so for a long time now, I've been wanting to build myself a quick little work surface that I can just throw together boxes on, clamp pieces down to cut them or drill them or whatever, so I can quit using my table saw or my outfeed table for that. So when Microjig sent me these dovetail clamps, I knew it was time to do something. So it's super simple, just a piece of 3/4 ply on top of some sawhorses. And then we're just gonna route some dovetail grooves in it along the edges and then one down the middle for now. I'm sure we'll end up adding some more later as they, make themselves necessary. But just wanted to show you how super quick and easy it can be. You just route out some grooves and you're done. Maybe throw a little wax in them. And as you can see, it's like super simple to clamp stuff down to the edge of the table or a bigger piece out in the middle of the table, somewhere where you can't get normal clamps. And so I think these are going to be just a super helpful tool to have out in the shop, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to get a lot of use out of them. Thanks a lot, Microjig.